Summers are too hot and the air is way too filthy. The solution is to grow more trees. Trees are not merely an attractive addition to cities, they may also help save lives and the environment. Planting trees in your community is a great way to give back and will also help the environment. While trees are critical for life support, people place too little importance on them and have little knowledge. Nature provides many advantages to urban communities, so we must act and plant more trees in our own cities. I will be discussing the necessity of having trees, ways to get involved in tree planting, and the advantages of planting trees. We need more trees and support by our community. Think of it in a way for giving back to your community for always being there for you. Trees are imperative for the importance of the environment. Trees reduce the heat island effect through the evaporative cooling and reducing sunlight. Without this effect, the days are going to be hotter, said Kamiko in 2014. Our air is polluted with ozone, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and other harmful specks of dust. Trees enhance the air quality by filtering these toxics. Trees are important for daily lives. The solution of these problems can start by you planting more trees. Since trees release oxygen, with the vast numbers of trees being cut down yearly, there will be less oxygen in the air. Trees and plants are also sources of medicine. With deforestation increasing, there will be insignificant ingredients for further medication, said Myler in 2015. Trees also play a big role in the supplies we use daily, such as paper, clothing, bags, the flooring in our homes, and the food we eat called vegetables. To get all these supplies, trees have to be cut down and taken to a factory, which that means that is one less tree in the environment. This is why you could help your community by replacing it. There are two ways a street tree can be planted. You can request a street tree. You can have a tree planted on your street at no cost if you own a property. Trees are not planted all year round, but during two seasons, spring and fall. You may file a service request using an online system for 3 service requests. You can also plant a tree on your own by yourself. If you own a property, you want to plant a tree on your property, you'll need a tree planting permit. After receiving the permit, the approved contractor must follow the park's planting standards to plant the trees, said Cronenberg in 2014. Envision all the benefits planting a tree can bring on our lives. Think about walking through a better environment with beautiful surrounding trees. Instead of breathing harmful air that is bad for our lungs, we could breathe in a fresher atmosphere. A mature tree can sustain up to 2 lives by producing oxygen. The more trees, the more oxygen that can be provided. So think about how many lives we can support by ourselves by planting just one tree. Imagine the better social and personal lives trees can give us. Trees and the scenery they bring can also relieve stress. Taking a walk near trees and breathing in all fresh oxygen can be a peacemaker and help you and others. With a scenic view of trees, hospital patients are revealed to be recovered more rapidly. Planting a tree can be fun. Many volunteer organizations hold such activities that you can sign up for. After envisioning, let's put our thoughts into action. In my speech, I have spoken about the necessity of having trees, ways to get involved in tree planting, and the advantages of planting trees. Planting a tree can create a better place for all types of lives, not just humans. Reversing deforestation is complex. Planting a tree is easy. Martin O'Malley said, "Trees act as the planet's lungs, taking in CO2 and exhaling oxygen. They provide a habitat for a variety of birds and other creatures, not just ours." Planting trees may be enjoyable and fulfilling, so let us work together to create a healthier body and home for our planet by doing the right thing. Please do your part and you'll soon begin to see all the positivity.